In this video I'm going to show you the process of how to cancel direct deposit on the Lloyds Bank. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's dive in. To get started, just head over to Lloyds Bank website. After that, open a search browser page with how to cancel direct deposit on Lloyds Bank. After that, there are two ways to go. First is if you are registered for online for business, and if that's the case, simply log in to your account and then select more action next to the account the direct debit is paid for. Choose direct debit, then manage direct debit, and last but not least, find the direct debit you want to cancel. The second step is if you are registered for commercial online banking. In this case, you can just cancel your direct debit just if you are enrolled with right permission. If this is your case, simply log on to commercial banking online, go to the Manage Payments and select Direct Debits. Enter the details for the account and select Search, and then select the direct debit you want to cancel. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.